You might not realize this, but most of the videos you've seen here at Roadshow over the past 12 months or so would not have been possible without this, the 2018 Mercedes-Benz Metris van. We've had this bad boy in our long-term fleet for about a year now, and here are 5 things you need to know. Now, our Metris has got the 126-inch wheelbase, and since it's in the cargo configuration, I've only got 2 seats, driver and passenger. So that means that everything behind them is all for cargo. That's 183 cubic feet of space. Now, if you need a little bit more room, you can get a longer wheelbase for more area back here, but for us, it's perfect. We can haul over 2,300 pounds of gear, and if we ever needed to tow anything, 5,000 pounds of capability. We opted for the double doors in the rear that open up nice and wide, and they stay that way. Now, we could have gotten a one-piece liftgate back here that maybe would have provided a little bit of shade in the summertime, but by and large, we're really happy with how easy it is to load gear in and out of the Metris van. When it comes to tech, well, there's a little bit of it, but you are going to have to pay extra. We got a backup camera and blind spot monitoring, both of which are absolutely necessary because I don't have a traditional rear view mirror here. I've got cruise control, lane keeping assist that gives me a little visual and audible warning if I happen to stray from in between the lines, and I've got a very, very rudimentary navigation system. As for creature comforts, well, I mean, there's heated seats. There's also lumbar support, but I do have to adjust it manually. Look, this is one of the least expensive ways for you to get into a Mercedes-Benz. Don't expect S-Class luxury. Under the hood is a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, good for 208 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Power gets to the rear wheels through a 7-speed automatic, and check it out, there's even paddle shifters. Although really that's best used if you want to control your speed going down a hill. Now that 208 horsepower might not seem like a lot, but honestly, this box on wheel does just fine at our remote filming locations. I mean, she keeps up with traffic and she performs with grace and dignity. The EPA gives the Metris a combined fuel rating of 22 miles per gallon, but we are getting 24.5 for the year. As tested, our 2018 Metris van is $38,417, but prices have gone up a couple $100 for 2019. But when you look at the competition, things get a little interesting. For example, you can get a Ford Transit Connect that sure doesn't have as much space, but it's got more features and more technology for much, much less money. Heck, you can even get a Ram ProMaster City. Again, less space, and here, no features, but it's under $25,000. That makes this Metris look really, really pricey. But all in all, we've really enjoyed having the Metris van in our long-term fleet for the past year. If you want to read more about our van, we call it Wu-Tang Van, you can go right on over to theroadshow.com.